Hello, in this video I will talk about the document view history. So that's include Google Documents, Google Sheets, and Google Slides forms. Who view your document at what time? So when you share your document, you need to make sure you click the you go to the Google Docs and click the three line here, main menu, setting. Make sure show your view history is on. Okay, so that's the first thing. So I will talk about the other setting you need to do at the end. So to check the view history, go to the document you want to check. Click that, and then you will see the setting over here. Click that, and then go to share history. So no record activities. If after you share, you will see all your history, who view your document, who added your document history from here. If you cannot see that, for example, you cannot see the share our editor history icon, that means you are using personal version of Google. It's a free version. So this option only available at the work our school edition of Google Docs. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.